Hello, welcome to Female Nature. My name is Victoria Chinenye Okuli. In this channel, we'll be talking about issues relating to women's health, especially in relation to fibroids and menopause. So, on this first episode, we will be looking at what fibroids are and try to have a better understanding of fibroids. So, fibroids are tumors that grow inside the womb. They can be small or large, and they can be inside or outside the womb. So, and the main thing is they're non-cancerous in nature. So they just grow. So the women mostly affected are women from African heritage, Caribbean, and Asian. So these parts of the world, women are mostly affected. And surprisingly, women from the European areas are now feeling the effects of fibroid. So we don't really know why. Maybe it's been there all along, but we're not sure. But we know that pre predominantly African, Caribbean, and Asian women are affected by fibroids. So fibroids can be single or they can be multiple. So let me give you an idea of how fibroids look like and how the womb area looks like. So if you see here, this is the female reproductive system. So the left and the right side, these ones that look like light bulb, they are the ovaries, and then the longer ones are fallopian tubes. And this is the main womb area, and lower down here is the cervix. So this is the womb when it is smooth and without fibroids. So the second illustration shows fibroids inside the womb, and they're called like intramural fibroids. It means that the fibroids are growing right inside the womb. And here we have um, fibroids that are just by the outside surface of the womb. So these can be big and multiple in nature, and you can imagine for these ones that are outside the womb, when they grow bigger, how they will be squeezing, and if they are multiple as well, how they will be squeezing the womb. That means causing problem for the woman, even issues in relation to fertility. And for the second illustration, for these that are the fibroids that are inside the womb, you can also imagine the pain and the discomfort that a woman will be feeling, and the issues relating to her menstrual cycle when the fibroids are inside the womb, because the fibroids, whether inside or outside the womb, can pose a significant difficulty to a woman, especially depending on their sizes and the number that they are in the womb area as well. So the fibroids are really caused by high estrogen level in the body. So estrogen is the female reproductive hormone, and this helps a woman like to have a period, to conceive as well, and relating to pregnancy. So estrogen is quite an important hormone for a woman, but the downside is when there is too much of it being produced in the body, the tiny cells can grow bigger. The tiny cells that feed on this hormone, the cells in the womb, can now grow into balls, sometimes the size of a tennis ball, or sometimes they can grow into the size of melon. So they can pose a significant discomfort to a woman really, to all women who are affected. So these are mainly excessive production of estrogen in the body that forms balls or tennis-like balls. But the main thing for people to have in mind is that they are non-cancerous. But that doesn't mean that they cannot go on to cause major problems in the life of a woman later on down the years. So it is important as women are being advised to check their breasts from time to time. It is also important for women to understand the layout of their womb or their externally, because they have to be checking externally to see if there is any changes to their stomach. So it is important for women to lie down or facing up from time to time. Just feel the stomach area, gently press the stomach area to check for signs of hardness or any lumpiness, any lumpy feelings. And if a woman is not sure of anything, it is better for them to consult their medical practitioner. I am not a medical practitioner myself, but my intention is to share the message across the world so that women are aware of the issues relating to the reproductive system, because the more knowledge people have, the better that they will be well equipped to look after themselves and also support people around them. So women need to be checking from time to time for any changes in their stomach area, and especially in relation to for those who are still having their periods, for any changes in their menstrual cycle. It is important for them to discuss any concerns that they may have, no matter how little or no matter how insignificant that they think it might be. Always get a medical opinion just to rule out anything that may cause problem in the future. So it is important for all women viewing this channel to share this information with every other woman around them, sisters, sisters-in-laws, your mom, every woman around you in the workplace, in the church, all of us around the world. We need to tackle the issues, jointly tackle the issues that women are facing around the world, because when one woman is suffering, every other woman around the world is suffering. And this goes to men as well. If you're a man viewing this channel, please share this message with all women around you. I strongly believe that every man has a woman in their life, whether it's a mom, a sister, a cousin, a workmate, a colleagues in the office, or uh, different areas, different parts of the community. There will always be a woman around a man. So please share this information, share this video with every woman around you so that we can share the information and be wiser and know how to help ourselves. Those days are gone when women don't talk about issues relating to their reproductive health. The world has changed, so everybody needs to be aware. Men and women, even women need to be aware of what's affecting men, and men need to be aware of what is affecting women as well, because everyone's health should be important to everybody else. So if you're a man, please share this video to all the women around you, and fellow women, please share this video to every other woman around you. And it will be helpful for us if you're able to subscribe to our channel, to share the videos that you're watching, and to make any comments that will help us with future videos, and maybe to share any information that might be relevant to other women as well. So my intention is to create awareness and to share my own experience as a woman for the years that I went through issues relating to fibroid. So the next episode and subsequent episodes will be looking um, especially on different stages relating to fibroid, different areas, different themes about fibroid, and we'll be discussing together with you on this channel. So until the next episode, please subscribe to our channel That way you're helping us to grow, and that way you're helping the whole world in general. Please subscribe, please comment, and please share. Thank you for joining us. Until next time. Bye bye.